Mackenzie here, and welcome back to LMNF Gaming, where today I have a guest named
Tyler.
And today we are going to be playing a little game of Will You Press the Button. Earlier today, we played Would You Rather with Drew, Tiller's brother. And okay, will you press the button?
No.
Gain X-ray vision, but you cannot turn it off. Well, okay. Would you rather is basically okay. So, would you do X-ray vision, but you cannot turn it off? So, you have X-ray vision, but you cannot turn it off.
What are you doing?
Drew. We're just doing a video. We're just doing a video.
You watch.
Okay.
Pricker.
Dang, Drew just came in and yelled our ears off. It was creepy. We didn't know what was happening. I thought I heard something outside the door, so I stopped for a minute. What is that, Tiller?
My money.
Oh, okay. Okay. Will you press the button is you either press I will not or press that button. So what it's about is if you press the button, then you're fine with it. Gain X-ray vision, but cannot turn it off. Oh, you pressed the button. Okay. You have pressed the button. Did you enjoy this? Like you? You are able to foresee into the future, but each time you do it, you lose a part of your memory. You will not.
Fricky, motherfucker.
Go back in time to save Kurt Cobain, but you lose the Foo Fighters forever. You become everything you've ever wanted to be, but you live as an avatar in the virtual world of IMVU. You can end all suffering in the world, all oppression, and essentially create world peace and save billions of lives. I didn't finish.
Don't care.
You can go back in time to change one mistake, but you will lose and be unable to get back any profit you may have gotten from this mistake. You flicked it! Don't flick my screen! Oh no, Drew's here again. Okay, I guess Drew can be another guest. There can be 2 guests in this video, I guess. Would you like to be in this video? Hey, I didn't
What
say...
is the video about?
Yeah, I do.
What is this video called, motherfuckers?
Well, we're doing Will You Press the Button.
Dude, smell my butt.
No one's gonna smell your butt.
Hello!
Okay, Drew's here. The video already started, Drew. Okay, do you guys still want to play Will You Press the Button?
Yes! Let's play Would You Rather now.
Would you rather? We did.
No.
We did Would You Rather in the last video.
I don't care.
Whoa.
Did you even upload it?
I started to. Oh, there's a thing. It says upload has been rejected. No.
It's too long.
It's too long.
Try it again.
We have to make another one. Okay, guys. Our video has been rejected, so let's make another Would You Rather video. Have 6 dogs.
Did y'all just start the video a minute ago?
Duh. Have 6 dogs. Don't you already have 6 dogs?
We have 5.
5. Okay. Have
Video.
be attacked by spiders or be attacked by snakes. Depending on what type of spider, though. Hey. Okay. Have super strength or have super speed. Speed is key.
Super strength, you dingy.
I know. Wear dresses all your life or wear jeans all your life. Jeans. What? Why'd you click dresses? That's going to end my reputation.
I don't care.
Okay. Always say no homo at every sentence. Or
B.
No. Be very athletic and not smart. Be
This
smart
is your
and
new
not
intro?
athletic. Don't watch my videos.
Would
Intro?
you get a $1 million?
$1 million per year, or would you get $10 per day?
Duh.
Stop watching my video. You're ending my
Put a song on.
reputation. Whatever. That's my music.
Not wear a shirt for
You're
a
ending my
year.
music.
Not wear a shirt for a year, or not wear underwear for a year. Underwear, duh.
Where's your intro, Mackenzie?
Wait. Why'd you make me do that?
I didn't. Be nice, but people hate you. Be mean, but people love you. People love me. Bring it in.
Ooh, I farted.
Own a kingdom and be hated.
Ah!
Be normal, but loved by many. Okay. Who farted?
Oh my god.
Nope, no one's gonna do anything now.
These people that watching this video, you need to subscribe and like, or I will fart on your face.
Tiller.
What? I didn't say that.
Okay, guys.
Look at my dad.
I'm gonna end this video here. If you enjoyed, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see every last one of you
See you, big dibbies.
in the next video.